Choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. The intermolecular force is dashed in the particles of solid. Option 1 minimum, option 2 moderate, option 3 maximum, option 4 indefinite. Correct answer is option 3 maximum. Solids retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called dash. Option 1 plasticity, option 2 incompressibility, option 3 fluidity, option 4 elasticity. Correct answer is option 4 elasticity. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound and element by applying the criterion dash. Option 1 states of matter, option 2 phases of matters, option 3 chemical composition of matter, option 4 all of these. Correct answer is option 3 chemical composition of matter. Matter that contain two or more constituent substances is called dash. Option 1 mixture, option 2 compound, option 3 element, option 4 metalloid. Correct answer is option 1 mixture. Milk is an example of type of matter called dash. Option 1 solution, option 2 homogeneous mixture, option 3 heterogeneous mixture, option 4 suspension. Correct answer is option 3 heterogeneous mixture. Water, mercury and bromine are similar to each other because 3 are dash. Option 1 liquids, option 2 compounds, option 3 non-metals, option 4 elements. Correct answer is option 1 liquids. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this we understand that there are dash chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Option 1 1, option 2 2, option 3 3, option 4 4. Correct answer is option 2 2. Identify the odd term out and explain. Gold, silver, copper, brass. Brass. Reason. Brass is a mixture while others are elements. Hydrogen, hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Hydrogen. Reason. Hydrogen is an element while others are compounds. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. Carbon. Reason. Carbon is an element while others are mixtures. Water, mercury, bromine, petrol. Petrol. Reason. Petrol is an organic compound while others are inorganic compounds. Sugar, salt, baking soda, blue vitriol. Sugar. Reason. Sugar is an organic compound while others are inorganic compounds. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Carbon. Others are monovalent elements. Answer the following question. Plants synthesize glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the 4 compounds in this process and name their types. Photosynthesis. 6 CO2 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O water light chlorophyll gives C6H12O6 glucose plus 6 O2 oxygen. Carbon dioxide, water, glucose and chlorophyll are compounds. Types. Organic compounds, glucose. Inorganic compounds, carbon dioxide and water. Complex compounds, chlorophyll. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper 70% and zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute and solution from these. Brass is an alloy. It contains 70% copper and 30% zinc. The largest proportion is solvent, that is copper. The smaller proportion is solute, that is zinc. The solution is brass. Sea water tastes salty due to the dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salts in water of some water bodies: Lona Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain 2 characteristics of mixtures from the above information. The constituents of a mixture, the proportion of salts in water, do not combine chemically. Their constituents are present in any proportion by weight. The constituent of a mixture can be separated by a physical process. Give two examples each. Liquid element: mercury Hg, bromine Br2. Gaseous element: hydrogen H2, oxygen O2. Solid element: copper Cu, aluminum Al. Homogeneous mixture: air, sea water. Colloid: fog, smoke. Organic compound: glucose, urea. Complex compound: chlorophyll, hemoglobin. Inorganic compound: common salt, limestone. Metalloid: silicon Si, germanium Ge. Element with valency 1: hydrogen, chlorine. Element with valency 2: oxygen, sulfur. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valencies from the molecular formula given below. KCl, HBr, MgBr2, K2O, NaH, CaCl2, CCl4, Hi, H2S, Na2S, FeS, BaCl2. Molecular formula and constituent elements. KCl, name potassium chlorine, symbol KCl, valency 1 1. HBr, name hydrogen bromine, symbol HBr, valency 1 1. MgBr2, name magnesium bromine, symbol MgBr, valency 2 1. K2O, potassium oxygen, symbol KO, valency 1 2. NaH, name sodium hydrogen, symbol NaH, valency 1 1. CaCl2, calcium chlorine, symbol CaCl, valency 2 1. CCl4, name carbon chlorine, symbol ClC, valency 1 4. Hi, name hydrogen iodine, symbol Hi, valency 1 1. H2S, name hydrogen sulfur, symbol HS, valency 1 2. Na2S, name sodium sulfur, symbol NaS, valency 1 2. FeS, name iron sulfur, symbol Fes, valency 2 2. BaCl2, name barium chlorine, symbol BaCl, valency 2 1. Chemical composition of some matter is given in the following table. Identify the main type of matter from there. Name of matter, chemical composition, main type of matter. Sea water, H2O plus NaCl plus MgCl2 plus mixture. Distilled water, H2O compound. Hydrogen gas filled in a balloon, H2 element. The gas in LPG cylinder, C4H10 plus C3H8 mixture. Baking soda, NaHCO3 compound. Pure gold, Au element. The gas in oxygen cylinder, O2 element. Bronze, Cu plus Sn mixture. Diamond, C element. Heated white powder of blue vitriol, CuSO4 compound. Limestone, CaCO3 compound. Dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl plus H2O mixture. Write scientific reason. Hydrogen is combustible Oxygen helps combustion, but water helps to extinguish fire. Pure water is a compound formed by chemical combination of the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Properties of a compound are different than those of the constituent elements. However, the compound water formed by chemical combination of the gaseous elements hydrogen and oxygen is a liquid. It is neither inflammable nor does it support combustion. On the contrary, it helps to extinguish fire. Constituent substances of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. The particles of a colloid can pass through filter paper, so a colloid cannot be separated by filtration. The pores of ordinary filter paper are larger than colloid. The heterogeneous mixture cannot be separated by filtration. Milk is an example of colloid which contain solid and liquid particles of proteins, fat, etc. cannot be separated by filtration. Hence, the constituent substance of colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. Lemon sherbet has sweet, sour and salty taste and it can be poured in a glass. Lemon sherbet is a mixture prepared by adding sugar, lemon and common salt. The properties of constituent substance are retained in the mixture. Hence, lemon sherbet has sweet taste of sugar, sour taste of lemon and salty taste. A solid matter has the properties of definite shape and volume. In solids, distance between molecules is least. Hence, intermolecular forces in solids are very strong. The particles of solid are very close to each other and vibrate at their fixed position. Hence, the molecules of a solid remain beyond to one another and so the solids have definite shape as well as volume. Deduce the molecular formula of the compound obtained from the following pairs of elements by the cross multiplication method. C valency 4 and Cl valency 1. Carbon C valency 4, chlorine Cl valency 1. We have to do cross multiplication, carbon into 1, chlorine into 4. So the molecular formula will be CCl4, N valency 3 and H valency 1. Nitrogen N valency 3, hydrogen H valency 1. We have to do the cross multiplication, N into 1, H into 3. Molecular formula will be NH3. C valency 4 and O valency 2. Carbon C valency 4, oxygen O valency 2. You have to do the cross multiplication of carbon into 2, oxygen into 4. So the molecular formula will be C2O4. Ca valency 2 and oxygen valency 2. Calcium Ca valency 2, oxygen O valency 2. You have to do the cross multiplication, calcium into 2, oxygen into 2. So the molecular formula will be Ca2O2. Can you recall what are the various states of matter? Various states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. What is the difference in ice, water and steam? Ice exists in solid state, water exists in liquid state and steam exists in vapor, gaseous state. What are the smallest particles of matter called? The smallest particles of matter are called atom. What are the types of matter? The three types of matter are element, compound and mixture.